So you're looking at flamethrowers. Did you ever think the day would come? Well, first of all, I'm proud of you. And second, let me tell you everything that I think you should know about flamethrowers. So first, let's talk about the fuel. You are going to want to get propane, and you're going to want it to be small enough to carry it around. So if you notice, this is propane. This right here, this is what the top should look like. This is actually called fuel blend. You might run into that and think that's the right thing, but look at the top on this one. That is a no. This is a yes. This is going to screw right into here. By the way, this is a brass fitting. This is a metal ending. I like all that. The fact that this is plastic just means it's not going to heat up in your hand, but you want this to be metal and this to be metal. So far, this one is lining up perfectly. So next, let's talk about use cases. First of all, weed control. This part right here, I have not treated this part of the driveway, and look at that. We are going to burn right through that, and it's not going to leave heavy chemicals, harsh chemicals that get into your soil and in your water supply. That is a major issue. So this is kind of a chemical-free way to do weed control. Now you might say, propane, isn't that a chemical? Not really, because when it burns blue flame and it turns it into carbon dioxide and water vapor, which is also why another use case is your food. You can char a steak with this thing because it doesn't leave that on your food. It burns completely, especially if you don't put the meat right up against the tip of the metal. Give it a few inches and you'll be fine. Third use case, lighting a fire. When my buddies come over, I'm not gonna light this with a match. I'm not gonna use a little puny little lighter. I'm gonna use a flamethrower, and it's awesome and it's better and it works and it's fast and it's cool. And the fourth use case that we've actually used it on is disinfecting stuff. So let's say you have a metal dog kennel or a barbecue grill grate. Just burn it, clean it, disinfects it, really helpful. Speaking of barbecue, you could do charcoals. Light up them charcoals a whole lot faster than a match. Anyway, lots of use cases. The fact is, when you have a flamethrower, you find new uses for a flamethrower. And now, before I light it up and show it to you in action, let's look at some safety features. First of all, this metal, that's ideal, but this being plastic is a safety feature. It's gonna keep you from overheating. Second, it does have a lock right here, so whenever you hit that, you can actually lock it and the trigger is not going to expel more propane. Also on the top, you can turn this off or turn it on, and so you can completely turn that off, and it's snug and it works. Last thing I'd like to tell you is, look at the top here. This was a surprise. Right there, it says, "Don't touch when red." So this little emblem right here, and I'm touching it right now, it will get red when this heats up. And so right before you might accidentally touch it, you're gonna see that, and that is very much appreciated. All right, let's get to work. Turn the safety off, turn this on just a little bit, and ignite. You turn it up, turn it down. You don't want it to be yellow. You want it to be where it's disappearing like that. That means a blue flame is happening, not a yellow flame. Yellow flame is gonna leave some gassy residue. Blue flame is gonna be burning off all that propane perfectly. And now check this out, hit the trigger, a little bit, or a lot. Let's get to work. You can see all the oil and the fat from the previous burns burning off. You can also, on a future light, if I was gonna cook meat tonight, I could light my charcoal. All right, I'm having too much fun with this. This is useful beyond what you might first expect. Very well built, very affordable, and I have no complaints. All right, this was sent to me by the manufacturer for this review. This is my absolutely honest and forthright review. Very impressed, love it. And I hope it helps you. All right, get yourself a flamethrower.